Second, sunny. Pickup naman, ang pogi din. Millennium Jade colorway. Naka-tome pa siya. Billet aluminum na. Ganda. And then EFI na rin. I think this is still the original engine. Please do comment down below. This is the original engine. Pero ini-EFI na nila. Strut bars, fender, side mirrors, pogi chin, Emerald Jade. Shocks na rin yung nag-hood stay sa kanya. The Bermuda Triangle, kapatid. Ang guwapo nitong mga pickup na to. Ayan, oh. Even the bed liner is polished and clean, sunny. Same tailgate lock. Ang guwapo, no? Kapaka-pogi. Yan yung mga pickup dito sa Malaysia. Lilinis, no? This is one of my favorites as well. Diba? Gaganda, Brad. It's your boy. Let's go.